Welcome back to our channel, food enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of plant-based goodness with a zesty twist, peppery tofu salad. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover a plethora of unknown facts about this flavorful salad. Fact number 1, power of plant protein. Tofu, the star ingredient of this salad, is made from soybeans and is an excellent source of plant-based protein. It's packed with essential amino acids, making it a nutritious choice for those following a vegetarian or vegan diet. Fact number 2, ancient origins. Tofu has a rich history that dates back over 2,000 years. It originated in China during the Han Dynasty and has since become a staple in various Asian cuisines. Its versatility and health benefits have made it a beloved ingredient worldwide. Fact number 3, texture transformation. Tofu's unique quality lies in its ability to take on the flavors of the ingredients it's cooked with. In this peppery tofu salad, the tofu absorbs the zesty dressing, creating a mouth-watering combination of flavors. Its soft and silky texture adds a delightful contrast to the crisp vegetables. Fact number 4, the pepper power. The key ingredient that gives this salad its signature kick is the peppercorns. Peppercorns come in various forms, such as Szechuan, black, or white. They add a spicy and aromatic element to the salad, awakening your taste buds and adding a touch of excitement to every bite. Fact number 5, health benefits galore. Peppery tofu salad not only delights your taste buds but also offers numerous health benefits. Tofu is a low-calorie, cholesterol-free protein source that aids in muscle repair and growth. The colorful array of vegetables provides essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, supporting overall well-being. Fact number 6, versatility and adaptability. While we're showcasing the peppery tofu salad today, it's important to note that tofu is incredibly versatile. It can be grilled, fried, baked, or even used in desserts. Explore different flavors and textures, and let your culinary creativity flourish. Fact number 7, tofu and sustainability. Incorporating tofu into your diet can have a positive impact on the environment. Producing tofu requires fewer resources compared to meat production, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting sustainable food choices. And that concludes our journey through the world of peppery tofu salad. We hope you enjoyed uncovering these unknown facts and are inspired to try this flavorful and nourishing dish at home. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, unknown facts, and culinary inspiration. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit!